put up graphics on the left transom, and so now I'm just waiting for the transfer paper to dry. Going to prep the wall.
Oh, you bring some isopropyl alcohol?
With some isopropyl alcohol, yeah.
It'll help the vinyl stick to the wall.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just finished up with the install. We installed some graphics on some windows. We installed some window film to make it harder to see inside of offices.
This XYZies place put up some graphics right there on the storefront transoms. Put up a few wall graphic vinyls, and then a couple of doors in the break room. So all in all, pretty good installation today.
Daniel did a really good job. Pretty simple install. We'll see you on the next one.